હું ગુજરાતમાં છું in વડોદરા.
Hi, I'm Rahul Ravel.
Hi, this is Pooja.
Hi, my name is Tehzeeb.
Hi, my name is Sameer Sarkar.
Hi, I'm Nitesh Mohanty.
Hi, I'm Dominique Velansky.
Hi, I'm Aparna Upadhyay.
And it's been a lovely experience. The enthusiasm of the students, the work they're doing, the enthusiasm of the faculty, and the work they're doing. I think something good will come out of this.
This is my second year at this festival, and I find it really interesting. It's very well curated, it's very well organized.
I'm here at Parul University and I've finished a couple of sessions and fireside chat, and it's been a wonderful experience. I'm just amazed at what a beautiful campus it has been.
So I came first to be part of a jury for short films and also to give 2 workshops to the students, animation and film students.
I was shown around the design school, and I really enjoyed looking at the various projects that the students have created. So thank you very much.
I was invited to this amazing film and design festival at Parul University. And over the last 3 days, I've been interacting with the students, with the faculty.